how do you strategize to meet the sales target? I would like to know, is there any magic wand which you have which lets you meet all the targets?
Okay. So, first of all, no, there's no magic wand. Second of all, it's not always that we meet our targets. I mean, I wish we were. But having said that, I mean, meeting targets is more like the right amalgamation of analysis and at the same time, the right execution. Why I say analysis and execution, because throughout the month, you're basically understanding what is happening around you. And you end up being a little, there's a lot of volatility in the trade as well at times. So you have to be very flexible in terms of your policies. And I think the best way to deliver your target is to be flexible and adapt to the situation. So that is one thing that I definitely do. The second thing that I keep in mind is having the right forecasting in my head before I get into a month, so that I am deploying the right targets to my team. And I am aligning those numbers with my senior management. At the same time, my customer is aligned with me, my distributor is aligned with me that yes, we have to deliver this goal. But for that, we have to have very specific forecasting in head so that we can show that opportunity and it is actually achievable. Because setting targets and meeting them are two very different things. And if I set a very high target, none of the people in the organization or in the trade would ever run for that. So there has to be a balance, and that balance will only come through that data analysis that I do probably during the month. So that is very crucial, I think, for delivering the targets that are expected from the company and that my team can deliver for me.
Also, is there any preset agenda for the day?
So there is a preset agenda for the month. There's a proper drumbeat kind of a thing that we follow, but that's more like an unsaid thing. It somehow just happens. It's nothing like a mandated thing for anyone. But yeah, I mean, you would get up in the morning, you would first go through your mails, check your inbox, probably have a look at how your business went for the previous day, get some idea on that, identify some opportunities. You would probably have had some follow-up meetings that happened the previous day in the evening. Then have a talk with your team, understand with them what are the difficulties that they're facing, tell them what are the opportunities that they should tap into for the day, understand what their plan is for the day. Then you go about your daily course throughout the day. You're attending various meetings, sometimes with brands, sometimes with the central team, sometimes with brand teams, sometimes with the trade marketing teams, trying to come up with plans for next month, next quarter, etc., etc. And then in the evening, you would again get into review meetings with the distributor team and with the distributors to understand that how did the business go, what were the challenges, what is it that we can do better for them, and things like those. And then throughout the month, there are different part of the drumbeat that you basically follow, which would probably include your data analysis, it would include your share analysis. Then you would also be looking about what is it that the customer can do better, which channels is he not performing in, which are the brands that are getting impacted, and there's a fixed timeline for that. Yes, we do follow that.